What's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. Well, let's get into it. Today is Friday, and this video is going to be about day 11 and 12. 11 was yesterday, but let's get into it right after this intro. Alright guys, so I am actually on my way to get my hair done. Like I explained in previous videos, I have something to do today with my wife, and I gotta get my hair done because it's gotta look nice as we're going out. So that's what I'll be doing today. That's what I'm going to do now. But I wanted to give you my day 11, and basically it was an okay day. I fasted for, I believe, 20 something hours. I am going to show you guys the full fasting schedule at the end of the week, so don't worry about that. But I felt like it was at least 20 something hours, and for the most part I have been just OMADing, trying not to eat a significant amount while I'm not fasting like I want to fast. So that's what I'm trying to do. Hopefully I am successful. We'll see, and we'll get those numbers at the end of the day. But yesterday was good. I ended up going to the event that I was supposed to go to. I did eat, and I am weighing myself every morning as well, so I should have the weight. You'll be able to see the weight fluctuating. I am personally not even looking at my weight right now, so I can't do it. I'll get discouraged, and I don't need that in my life right now. So I am personally not looking at my weight or anything like that, which I'm fine with. I'm fine with just seeing the results at the end, because I know for myself I can't do it. It's just too much. But for the most part, day 11 went smoothly. I did not work out yesterday. Chances are I'm probably not going to work out any this week, because I just have stuff going on, and like I said, I did not plan appropriately. So next week will be better. I'm keeping a positive attitude, and it should be better next week. That is my goal to strive for. So I am going to end the video. Well, not end it. By the time you see me, my hat will not be on and my hair will be done, and then we can get into day 12. All right, everybody. So I am back. It is a little later in the day, about 3, and I gotta get ready to go out for this date night. But I wanted to make sure I recorded and posted before I venture off into the night. Day 12. So as far as today goes, I have actually broken my fast already because my wife wanted to get lunch, so I said okay, and that was at 16 hours and 49 minutes. So a very short fast for today because of how late I ate last night, but that's okay. Like I said, living this week by just the flow of it. So, you know, nothing real serious or anything like that. 16-hour fast, and then I'm moving into the night, and I'll probably eat again. So it'll probably more than likely be another short fast for tomorrow, which is okay. So I'm not working out today because, like I said, I'm actually about to get in the house, rest for a little bit, and then be ready to go back out. And then we're gonna go out, and that'll be the end of that. But today, not a bad day. as far as fasting, I could have did a little longer, of course, but I didn't. So what are you gonna do, guys? But we are moving through this week pretty quickly. We are inching ever so closely to next week, which I am excited for because I'll be back to fasting. I don't know what it is, but it feels when I'm not fasting, like during the alternate day fasting, even like just eating, well, I don't know. Yeah, even still eating one meal a day, I feel full. Like yesterday when I went to go eat, I didn't even finish everything. I had to actually ask my brother if he wanted some because I couldn't finish eating all of it. So the eating every day, I tell you what, it really weighs you down, like quite literally weighs you down. So I'm gonna end it there and just say I hope everybody had a great week. I hope that everything is going well. If you're fasting today, if you ate today, I hope you had something good. If you're fasting and then you're fasting and going until tomorrow, listen, you got this. You can do it. So I should be able to do a video on Saturday and Sunday. So I'm okay with doing that. My brother got a bench for us for the basement, and that's basically what this thing is. I'll have to let him know that it came in. It's so we can work out in the house when we don't have time to go to the gym, which is great. So yeah, that came in today. Big huge box. But yeah, I don't even know where I was. Oh, I think I do. Listen, I'm gonna end the video how I always end the video. Today was a good day. Even though I'm eating, I feel heavy. I feel heavy. Today is still a good day because I know next week I'm going to do what I intended to do this week, and it's going to be okay. I will fill you guys in tomorrow on how tomorrow goes. I should be able to do a video. It might be short, just like this one, but I wanted to get this done. So I hope everybody has a good Friday. And listen, guys, if I can do this, you can for sure. And I will check you in the next video.